This video was made for the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition in the College of Health and Human Sciences at Colorado State University. Sean Bowen, who is a hospitality management student in the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition, is pictured working in the food preparation lab inside of the Gifford Building, which is home to the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition. While Sean is preparing to bake what is presumably chocolate chip cookies, a title screen that reads, "Meet the College of Health and Human Sciences Rams, Episode 8, Hospitality Management," reads on screen. There's also a list of icons that are displayed. Each icon is representative of the departments within the College of Health and Human Sciences. There's a circle around an apple and a pear, signifying that this video was made for the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition. Sean Bowen's interview is taking place outside of the Gifford Building. That is where you can hear him and where he will be narrating this video from.
When I think about hospitality management, personally, I would have to say it's the community of the entire major. And not just from the students in the classroom, but the teachers and all the support that we get in and outside of the class.
As Sean Bowen speaks to the community within the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition and the Hospitality Management major, a lower third that identifies Sean Bowen as a hospitality management student appears on screen. Throughout the course of this video of Sean working in the food preparation lab and doing his duties as a member of Gifford Catering are shown over the top of his interview footage.
When I was first looking into becoming a chef, I really talked to my advisor a lot, and that's a big thing about this college, about our major, is that our advisors are so great.
As Sean speaks to how great his advisors and his support network within the department is, video of Sean interacting with Assistant Professor Eric Milholland is shown on screen.
And they asked me what I wanted to do and what classes I liked, and they were easily able to identify HM for me. So my favorite thing about HM is definitely the hands-on aspect and the ability to work in real-world settings. And an example of that is the Gifford Catering that I'm a part of.
As Sean speaks about Gifford Catering for the first time in this video of Sean making an elaborate and intricate food spread is shown on screen.
Gifford Catering is a class, and it allows us to work basically as our own catering business within the school. And we do projects and events throughout the semester and getting some really great hands-on experience.
As Sean describes the duties that he and his classmates are responsible for, such as cooking, ordering, and event setup, corresponding video of each step that Sean mentions is shown on screen.
From cooking to ordering and just getting the entire event completed. There's such a close group of teachers, and you are able to create such a great relationship with every single one of them.
As Sean is speaking about the relationships he's made with staff within the department and inside of his major, video of Sean working alongside two different staff members is shown on screen.
And by having these relationships, they care so much about you. And it's obvious in their day-to-day work, and when you see them in class or when you go to their office hours, they know you by name, and they're always wanting you to do better and pushing you towards your final goal. When you come into your classes, they're pretty small, and you just have a great community around you. The teachers and your classmates are always there to help you out and just give a good conversation if you need it.
As Sean is speaking about the excitement he feels towards his classes, video of Sean working in a fast-paced kitchen environment plays over the top of his interview footage.
Another thing that I really look forward to when I go into class is just the interesting material that we go into. It's everything that I would need in the real world. I'm in a hotel class, and we went to an actual hotel and talked to the manager about, how they sell their rooms and how they sell their spaces. And you get to see some real cool stuff because all of our teachers have worked in the industry before this. But when I got into this major, I immediately started getting job opportunity emails from all my teachers, from my advisor.
While Sean is speaking about the job and professional opportunities made available to him through the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition, a video of him preparing an event for Gifford Catering is shown on screen.
They're always pushing stuff because our industry is so big and there's so many different opportunities. And the hospitality management program consistently places 90% of their graduates in the hospitality industry before or shortly after graduation. So after I graduate, I definitely want to go into the culinary side of the hospitality industry. But one thing that has been instilled in me since day one is that we can go anywhere with our majors, whether that be hotels, restaurants, any type of tourism, resorts. And that's just something that I love about it, is like, obviously ideas and goals change, and our major allows us to learn about every single part of this amazing industry.
Cinematic video of Sean walking away from the Gifford building on a beautiful fall day is shown before Sean reappears on screen to close out the video.
My name is Sean Bowen. I'm a hospitality management RAM, and you can be too.
This video is made by the College of Health and Human Sciences at Colorado State University, improving physical, mental, and social well-being.